Just going to be doing another video. I got this zippo case. How I got it, I was coming home from scootering. I know it sounds a bit gay when I say scootering, but check out my other channel, Toby Scooters it's called. And yeah, it's pretty good, it's me scootering. But yeah, I was coming home, I collected these zippos anyway, and I saw something that looked like a zippo holder where the zippo and lighter and that stool is, and I went over to it, saw it, found a watch as well, but the screen was broke, so yeah. So it just says 21st anniversary smoking set or whatever, high class lighter. Bottom with lighters in it, so it's a collection. Just Jack Daniels Spectrum lighter and a Zippo Slim. I love that lighter. Blue Zippo Slim, Playboy, Black Ice, Anytime Baby, I Tomcat, and Bad to the Bone, and then my Z Plus insert. This one's even more mental. But it don't fit in there. This one does. Put that one in. Got another Zippo downstairs, pretty much this one, but just with a belt going down it and along the top. Pretty shit, but yeah. Anyways, just my Zippo case. Just for now, I'm gonna actually be getting one of the proper Zippo cases. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and look out for my video for this. I might trade or sell. It's butane. It'll come with a bottle of free gas. Butane. For it to be refilled. And butane lighters look like do this. So yeah. Watch out for the reviews. Thanks for watching.